Howdy folks, Kevin McClenahan here at kevinmcclenahan.com in San Diego. And we're taking a look today at Panda payments. I'm going to give you an inside view of what this payment system is all about and some details about my free bonuses. We'll learn how to earn recurring monthly income from several sites in the money-making online niche that pay you out every single month. You're going to learn how to promote different sites that have recurring payments and high retention because of their high customer value. Most typical affiliate marketers will never have heard of these sites. Put in your work once and get paid over and over again. If this is something you're interested in, then stick with me a few minutes and I'll also dive into the really cool free bonuses that I've included if you pick up this product via my link below in the description section. Learn the monthly passive recurring payment system step-by-step, easy to follow videos, over-the-shoulder training so even non-techies can follow along and complete all the necessary steps. Upgrades that make sense and can start paying you today. How to find the top sites to deliver you monthly cash. How to promote your offers using completely free traffic. Build your list at the same time you're making a passive income and drive additional profits by sending affiliate offers to your new buyers list. And I'll also dive into the really cool free bonuses that I've included if you pick up this product. Scroll down here and take a look at them. Let's check out those free bonuses that I've included. And then we'll get a look at the product and the funnel, what the upsells are, etc. Okay, bonus number 1, Fuego Breakout, how to leverage influencers to grow your online business. Bonus number 2, build urgency in your offers. Bonus number 3, 0-hour workdays, building passive income channels. And through all 3 of these bonuses, there are creative, kind of out-of-the-box ways of thinking about your offers that will help you to build and multiply the offers that you're putting out there. And the vendor bonuses. The vendor is giving 5 bonuses here. Banking with bonuses, 3 ways to earn $1,000 a month on YouTube, 7 steps to successful blogging, Panther Profits, and Facebook Livewire. As well, there are, at any time during this YouTube review, if you want to purchase this product, you can click on the link just below in the description section, and you'll be taken straight through to the sales page. Let's take a look at that. What does that look like? When you get into the sales page, then you can click on any of these yellow links here. Okay. Similarly, if you're looking at my bonus page, then you can click on any of these yellow links as well and be taken straight through to the sales page. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my reviews, as I only review products and software that I think will be really valuable in our money-making online journey. Okay? If you followed my trainings before, you'll know that I only focus on products that fit into my online business building model. And then how can I make money and how can I drive traffic to that product, offer, or affiliate link? So let's get a look inside the members area. Panda Payments is keenly focused on exactly these 3 things: making money, driving traffic, that is, bringing eyes to your offers, and with consistent action, expanding our online businesses. Panda Payments went live on the 24th of April at 9 a.m. Like I said, at any time during this review, simply click the link below this video in the description section and it'll take you straight through to the sales page. If you want more information and helpful tools and hacks, sign up for my regular emails and blogs on the second link just below this video. And I'll be sure that you get a steady stream of actionable information that is relevant to building your online business. And occasionally, if I see a good product or software, I'll be sure to pass it on and share it with you, as well as any new reviews that I've got coming up. Or you can always email me directly at info@sdmarketguru.com. That's info@sd, like San Diego, marketguru.com. Success is all about acquiring specialized knowledge and putting that information into specialized and consistent action. That's what you're going to learn when you hang out with me. Okay, so we're inside the members area now, and we can take a look here. The main training section has 8 modules, and we've also got a free resource, which is Tiger Traffic, which has got 10 different ways to source free traffic. All right. The bonuses, like I said, there's 5 bonuses here. And then here's the button for the upgrades. I'll show you the pro area next. And unadvertised bonuses, there are 3 of them. 3 unadvertised bonuses. Okay. So within about an hour and a half, you can be all the way through the training, have all of these specialized insights into free traffic and different traffic sources. And here's the pro area. And you've got two different choices here for the pro method. You can do the lazy method. So within the hour, you can be up and running and offering your affiliate links to the member site's traffic. Okay, so there's a quick way to do it. That's the lazy method. And then there's the advanced method. And Dawood shows us how we can set up our own site and drive traffic to that site and post our offers on that site. So it's pretty insightful. Okay, so this all comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so let's take a look at the funnel here. So the front end is $9.95. The pro version, and we'll take a look at what that entails, is $37, and the downsell is $17. And 6 times super solo ads is $67, and the downsell is $47. And quadruple reseller rights is $97. The downsell is $67. And a done-for-you website setup with coaching sessions included is $197. The downsell is $97. Okay, so let's take a look inside here. So the front end, learn how to earn recurring monthly incomes from several sites in the money-making online niche that pay out every single month. Most typical affiliate marketers will have never heard of these sites. Put in the work once and get paid over and over again. Upsell number 1, Panda Payments Pro version. 10x your results with the Pro version. Instead of having to market multiple offers, he will show us how to create our own website from which we can market all of our offers, plus build our online list for free at the same time, okay? As well, when you, just an insight here, if you're gonna do this done-for-you website setup, you need to purchase the Pro version, okay, if you're going to opt for this upsell number 4. So just keep that in mind. Upsell number 3, Panda Payments Quadruple Reseller Rights, $97 or $67 for the downsell. Not only can we sell Panda Payments, right, for 100% of the commissions across the entire funnel, but he's giving us 3 previous products, Puma products, Cougar commissions, Leopard lists, okay? And then finally, upsell number 4 is the done-for-you setup, $197 or $97 for the downsell. Your customers can get their pro website set up for them, includes a coaching session with Dawood, plus marketing, plus he's going to give marketing to his own list and include us in his downline builders to get guaranteed signups. Okay, so that's pretty powerful stuff right there. So anyway, if you want to pick up Panda Payments and my bonuses, all you need to do is get yourself to my bonus page. Just click on this yellow tab here on the sales page. It'll bring you through to a secure checkout. After you've made your payment and checked out, then you can just navigate to the Warrior Plus site and then just click on Purchase History, and it'll bring you through to the receipt page, right? So you click on here, Purchase History, right? It'll bring you through to the receipt page, and you can access your product there via the green button, and you can access your affiliate bonuses and all the bonuses via the blue button, okay? So that's how to navigate that. Okay, so thanks for watching my review of Panda Payments. If you've followed my trainings before, you'll know that I focus on how a product fits into my online business building model. And then how can I make money and how can I drive traffic to the product, offer, or affiliate link? Panda Payments is keenly focused on exactly these 3 things. If you want to purchase this product and access my free bonuses, simply click on the link below this video. And if you want more information and helpful tools and hacks, sign up for my emails and blog below in the second link. And I'll be sure to send you a steady stream, actionable information relevant to building your online businesses. Or you can always email me directly at info@sdmarketguru.com. Success is all about acquiring specialized knowledge and putting that information into specific and consistent action. That's what you're going to learn when you hang out with me. So again, thanks for being with me. It's Kevin McClenahan here in San Diego at kevinmcclenahan.com.